Living Vehicle HD30. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a luxurious fifth-wheel travel trailer that is designed for off-grid living. It is built on a commercial platform with marine-grade materials and features a variety of amenities that make it perfect for extended stays in remote locations. The HD30 comes with a variety of floor plan options, including a queen bunk room, a 4-person adaptable family bunk room, a king bedroom suite, a mobile office, and a split queen auto lounge. It also has a spacious bathroom with a walk-in shower, a fully equipped kitchen, and a large living area with a fireplace. The HD30 is an ideal choice for those who want to experience the luxury of RVing without sacrificing comfort or convenience. It is perfect for full-time RVers, weekend warriors, and anyone who wants to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors without having to worry about being connected to utilities. HYMER VisionVenture. The HYMER VisionVenture is a concept car unveiled in 2020 that showcases the German campervan manufacturer's vision of future van life. Designed in collaboration with BASF, the concept car embodies innovation and sustainability, incorporating cutting-edge materials and technologies. The VisionVenture's interior is designed for maximum versatility, featuring a modular layout that can be adapted to different needs and activities. The upper level serves as a spacious living area, while the lower level offers a comfortable sleeping space and a bathroom. The VisionVenture is equipped with cutting-edge technologies that enhance comfort and convenience, including a smart climate control system, advanced infotainment features, and integrated mobility solutions. THOR Vision Vehicle. The THOR Vision Vehicle is a fully electric concept RV that was unveiled at the 2022 Tampa RV Super Show. It is designed to be a sustainable and eco-friendly option for RVing, and it is packed with features that make it a luxurious and comfortable home away from home. The Vision Vehicle is powered by a high-voltage battery pack and an integrated fuel cell. This gives it a best-in-class range of 300 miles, and it can be recharged using solar panels or a standard RV generator. The RV is also equipped with a digital cockpit that provides drivers with all the information they need to navigate and manage their vehicle. The Vision Vehicle is still a concept vehicle, and it is not yet available for purchase. However, it is a glimpse into the future of RVing, and it is sure to excite RV enthusiasts who are looking for a more sustainable and eco-friendly way to travel. eleMMent Palazzo. The eleMMent Palazzo is a luxury mobile home designed by Marchi Mobile. It is considered to be one of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world, and it has been featured in numerous publications, including Robb Report, Architectural Digest, and GQ. The eleMMent Palazzo is available in 2 models, the Exclusive and the Superior. The Exclusive is the entry-level model, and it features a spacious living area with a slide-out, a full kitchen, a bathroom, and a master bedroom. The Superior is the top-of-the-line model, and it features all of the amenities of the Exclusive, plus a second bedroom, a flybridge, and a sky lounge. The eleMMent Palazzo is made with the highest quality materials, and it is equipped with the latest technology. 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL. The 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL is a super Class C motorhome that combines the comforts of a Class C RV with the power and durability of a Ford F554x4 chassis. It is perfect for those who want to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations without sacrificing comfort or amenities. The Greyhawk XL comes standard with a 6.7L Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine, a 10-speed automatic transmission, and all-terrain tires. It also has a 19,500 pounds GVWR and a 31,500 pounds GCWR. Inside, the Greyhawk XL is spacious and well-appointed. It has a comfortable rear bedroom, a well-equipped kitchen, and a functional bathroom. It also features a number of luxury amenities, such as a residential-sized microwave, a Fur-Ion all-in-one cooktop and oven, and a recessed stainless steel sink. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is an all-electric pickup truck that was first unveiled in November 2019. It has an unconventional design that has been both praised and criticized, but it is also one of the most anticipated vehicles of the year. The Cybertruck is made from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, which gives it a futuristic and almost otherworldly appearance. The truck has a flat, angular design with no curves, and its windows are made of Tesla armor glass. The Cybertruck comes in 3 configurations: single motor, dual motor, and tri-motor. The single motor model is rear-wheel drive and has a range of 250 miles, while the dual motor model is all-wheel drive and has a range of 300 miles. The tri-motor model is also all-wheel drive and has a range of 500 miles. Dembell Motorhomes. Dembell is a German manufacturer of luxury motorhomes that are built without compromise. Their motorhomes are known for their high-quality materials, innovative design, and spacious interiors. Dembell Motorhomes are also very technologically advanced and come standard with a wide range of features, including air conditioning, heated floors, and satellite TV. Dembell Motorhomes are built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis and come in a variety of sizes to suit different needs. Their smallest model, the Dembell 10, is just under 10 meters long and has a living area of approximately 30 square meters. Their largest model, the Dembell 12, is over 12 meters long and has a living area of over 40 square meters. Viñales MV12. The Maverick Viñales MV12 is a motorhome designed for the Spanish MotoGP rider Maverick Viñales. The motorhome was built by Rioja Vehicles, a Spanish company that specializes in manufacturing custom-made motorhomes for the motorsport industry. The MV12 is a 2-story motorhome that measures 12 meters long and 3.8 meters wide. It is equipped with a number of features that are designed to make it a comfortable and functional home for Viñales and his team during race weekends. These features include a lounge area, a kitchen, a dining area, a bedroom, and a bathroom. The motorhome also has a garage that can accommodate 2 motorcycles.